Hello everyone, my name is Sarah McLeod. Welcome to my channel. I call my work vision weaving, which is basically co-creation of conscious intention and spirit guidance, bringing through healing energy. All you need to do to receive this healing energy today is to nod and affirm yes, whether out loud or to yourself. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. The conscious intention today is for healing the mother wound. So if there's any kind of disconnect or trauma or violation or distress in you about your connection to your mother, whether she's here or in spirit, then this healing energy is for you. Call on the Mother Mary today, the Divine Mother, the Goddess, the Divine Feminine, Mother Earth, Pachamama, Kuan Yin, Mary Magdalene. Just going to open the session. Take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can keep your eyes open or closed, it doesn't matter. Just allow your thoughts to soften and quieten so that the aperture from the spirit can open wide to receive this beautiful, divine, feminine healing energy. Just allow yourself to reflect and consider the ways in which you have hardened your heart or you have felt at the mercy of your own mother. If you didn't receive the unconditional love that you yearned for as a child, and be open to receive the unconditional love that is being brought forth now. You are worthy. You are deserving. You are loved. You are special. You are unique. Thank you for being you. And just removing any entanglements that may have come from harsh words, any kind of abuse. If you felt neglected or abandoned, misunderstood, take a deep breath. Dissipating and dissolving any resentment, any guilt, any hooks and barbs, daggers, poison arrows. Take another deep breath. And just in this moment, allow yourself to feel loved, unconditionally nourished, nurtured, supported, held, appreciated, respected, seen and heard, understood. And if there were any decisions that you wanted to make as a child that were pushed aside or forced into a situation against your will, and just clearing that energy now. And for those of you whose mothers are in spirit, just clearing the noise in the mental realm so that you can connect regardless of how you related in your lifetime. In spirit, the channel is clear, the channel is pure, the channel is love. So opening yourself to receive this love. And just knowing she did the best she could. And you can go ahead and wrap your arms around yourself and give yourself a big hug. And feeling the loving embrace of the Divine Mother. And just clearing any cobwebs, any sticky tangles. Maybe you got wrapped up in her network and her web. And just a definition of the self standing on your own 2 feet. And if there's a vacuum or a hole inside your heart where perhaps you didn't receive the unconditional love that you yearned for, I'm just going to go ahead and fill that with a beautiful, soft, pink, warm, healing energy. Go ahead and affirm after me. I am love. I am worthy. I am appreciated. I love myself as I am. Just know that it is your divine birthright to know self-love and to receive self-love, unconditional love from the divine, unconditional love from the divine feminine. This much is enough for today. Thank you for being here. I'm going to seal this healing energy with a charm. Again, if you like the energy that you're receiving, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'd love to hear your comments below. Love to hear your feedback. Feel free to reach out to me, and you're welcome to support me as an artist. You can see the link below. My healing artworks are below. So thank you, beautiful souls. May this healing benefit you, your family, and everybody in your sphere of influence. See you next time.